Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the update on SLP. On a daily time frame chart, the price on SLP has recently broken out another channel. Before that, we have already broken out this down channel. And after the breakout, the price was stuck inside this smaller down channel. And by the way, we also got rejected by this resistance of $0.0021. That was previously acting as a support here, almost as a resistance here, and again worked as a resistance. And after the breakout from this recent down channel, the price is, by the way, rejected by the next long-term resistance on that start from $0.00269 and goes to $0.002. And now we have again broken down this support of $0.002 from where it was rejected here in the month of May 2025. And now again, we need to break it out. And in today's video, I would also like to show you another very massive breakout that is already happened here on the 7 day time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for SLP that I shared on 8th of August 2025 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost a more than 35% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SLP that I shared on 8th of August 2025 in the previous month. And that was a bullish AB equal to CD move that SLP completed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup, a buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price had nicely moved up from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 35% pump on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see SLP has recently broken out another smaller down channel, and we have already crossed up the target for the breakout from this channel that was here at the top of the channel at $0.0021. And now if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this previous down channel that is here at the top of this channel at $0.006, that was previously acting as a resistance here. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.006 had been even previously here had been breaking other resistance as well. And here on the 7 day time frame chart, we have already broken out this huge falling wedge pattern as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 7.5 cents to 8 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.